morning, all of you. In last period, what you have seen? Position of heart and wall of heart plus pericardium and wall of heart. What is pericardium? It is the outer membrane differentiated into two layers: fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. Fibrous is outer, serous is the inner. This serous pericardium differentiated into the parietal serous pericardium and visceral serous pericardium. In between two layers, there is a space. That space called as a pericardial space or pericardial cavity. This cavity filled with the pericardial fluid that will be acts as a shock absorber. Right? Then you have seen it last time. And the wall of heart differentiated into three layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. What is position of heart? It is present mid-ventral of thoracic cavity in between two lungs. That position of heart is called as the mediastinum. It is protected by thoracic cage, muscles of chest, backbone. In addition to this, pericardium plus wall of heart. What about the epicardium, outer layer? Myocardium made up by the cardiac muscle capable for undergoes of contraction and relaxation. Contraction called as a systole, relaxation called as a diastole. Endocardium is inner layer made up by the squamous epithelium which is closely applied to the chamber of heart. What you have seen? What you have seen today? You have to see the structure of human heart. You have seen the position and their wall. But today you have to see the structure. See the chart, please. This is the dorsal view and this is the ventral view. ये हमारा dorsal view है. This is the ventral view. Dorsal view and ventral view are shown in the textbook, page number 169. Now, what about this external structure? You know very well. Human heart is 4 chamber. हमारा heart कितने chamber का है बेटा? 4 chamber. Superior chamber what it called? Auricles. Inferior chamber what it called? Ventricles. The superior chamber, that is called as auricles, that receive the blood from all parts of the body. हमको auricle के बारे में क्या लिखना है? There is a left auricle, there is a right auricle. Both auricles receive the blood from all part of the body. Right auricle receives the impure blood, that is the deoxygenated blood with the help of superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinus. Superior vena cava guarded, not guarded by wall, but inferior vena cava guarded by eustachian wall, while the coronary sinus guarded by the Thebesian wall. That you have to remember. Now, what about the left auricle? Left auricle also receiving chamber. Left atrium भी बोल सकते हैं. That receiving chamber that receives the pure blood from lung to the 4 pulmonary vein. आपको ध्यान में रखना है. राइट auricle पे कौन-कौन सी वेन्स ओपन होती है? Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus. And what about the left auricle? There are opening of 4 pulmonary vein, means 2 from left lung, 2 from right lung. Now, these auricles externally when observed separated from the ventricle by transverse groove. That groove is called as a arterioventricular groove, or it is called as a coronary sulcus. What it indicates? Auricles are separated from the ventricle. What my point? Both internally, both auricles are separated from each other. You see platter. These two auricles are separated from each other by interauricular septum. But externally also there is a groove. That groove is called as a coronary sulcus. Means auricles separated from the ventricle. Internally, both auricles are separated from each other. Got my point? Now, what about the ventricle? Ventricle is a distributing chamber. There are 2 ventricles. Which are 2 ventricles? Left ventricle and right ventricle. Now see here. I have shown you dorsal view here. This is the ventral view. आपको डायग्राम देखना है. This is ventral view. Ventral view में अपने अपोजिट होता है right ventricle. Then there is a left ventricle. Left ventricle slightly bigger than that of right ventricle. Hence, our heart is located on the left side of the body. Slightly inclined, not inclined on the left side. Now, these externally two ventricles are also separated by grooves. That is called as the interventricular groove, through which coronary artery and coronary vein are passes run through this sulcus, both sulcus, sulci. Now, right ventricle distribute the what type of blood? That is impure blood, that is a deoxygenated blood. Left ventricle distribute the what type of blood? That is a pure blood. मैंने आपको बताया right auricle receives what type of blood? Impure blood. That pour into the right ventricle. From right ventricle arises pulmonary trunk. आपको ध्यान में रखना है pulmonary trunk. That pulmonary trunk divided into two branches, left and right. There are two branches of pulmonary trunk, left and right. One goes to the left lung, another goes to the right lung. What about the left ventricle? From the left ventricle arises the aorta or systemic arch or aortic arch that can be divided into three segments: descending aorta, aortic arch, and ascending aorta. This aorta they divided into three branches, which are biocephalic artery, left common carotid, and left subclavian artery, and that can supply the different parts of the body. Got my point? Understood? What you have to remember here? Two auricles, receiving chamber; two ventricles, distributing chamber. Which vein you have to remember? Right auricle में कौन सी vein open होती है? Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and coronary sinus. What about the left auricle? That receives the what type of blood? That receives the oxygenated blood with the help of the four pulmonary veins. Which artery arises? A major artery, that is pulmonary trunk, that arises from which ventricle? Right ventricle. Aorta from left ventricle. Pulmonary trunk divided into two branches, left and right, that supply blood to the lung of the purification. From the left ventricle मैंने आगे बताया arises the major artery, what is called systemic arch, aortic arch, or aorta, that can be divided into three segments: descending aorta, aortic arch, and ascending aorta. That aorta again divided into aortic arch, divided into three branches: biocephalic artery, left common carotid, left subclavian artery. That's all. Now आपको ध्यान में रखना है auricle separated from ventricle by which groove? Atrioventrical groove. Or that you may, and ventricle separated from each other by which groove? Interventricular groove or coronary sulcus, through which that coronary vein and artery are run, that reaches to the wall of heart. Now, there are two major veins which are superior and inferior vena cava, and two major arteries which are pulmonary trunk and aorta, and there is also coronary sinus that open into the right auricle. That's all.